Alright, welcome back to another video of Total Tesla. My name is Craig, and this is a different video today. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos, go ahead and check them out. I just had a coffee and cars video just upload on Saturday, so March the 8th. And now I'm doing a self-help video, basically, to fix my curb rash on my 23 Model Y Performance. So let's get down to a little bit lower angle, and basically got my Zink wheels. I ordered from Amazon. They're about $45 right now, and I think you get it. There's a 10% coupon. So pretty simple. Just to open this box up, comes with the box, and then this is going to be your sander, and then it comes with the polish and then some pads to smooth out that finish down there on the wheel. So we're going to put it together and show you how it's done. All right, we'll be right back. All right, so as you can see, this is the curb rash on my 21-inch Uber turbine wheels. And so what we'll do is basically the kit comes with a ergonomic 3-inch rubber sanding block, and then it comes with a bunch of these. One thing I like about it is it comes with enough, so if you ever have any future curb rash, and you are protected for a while. So and then it comes with basically these grit sanding guards like this, and you just stick them right on like this. Now it says to use the 80 first and then the 240. So first thing we're going to do, whoops, first thing is first, let's clean the wheel. Just want to clean the surface of that area. All right, that's it. Now we're going to use our device here to just smoothen it out here. And it says to take your time. It's allow 1 to 2 hours depending on how much work you're going to do. All right, we don't want it to get, don't want to make it worse than what it is. All right. And then it says to take the 240 to smooth it out even further. So this is the 240. And then yeah, it's pretty smooth. Now it says to shake, you're going to get this little box right here for your Tesla Model Y or whatever wheel that you need to touch up. This is the 21-inch charcoal gray Uber turbine wheels. So we're going to unpack that. Shake well. Comes a little, this is the bottle. And just to smooth out again, just want to make sure this area right here that feels pretty good. And it does come with this little booklet right here too as well to tell you how to, you know, for instructions and things like that. So that was nice. So basically it says unscrew the paint bottle cap and use the applicator brush to carefully apply the thin coat of paint to the damaged area of the wheel. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the paint to dry. Mix the paint again and repeat until the damaged area is fully concealed. So let's see here. Like fingernail polish. Look at that. Might have to make a, we're going to do a couple coats here. Now, I am not a handy person, but I thought this would be an easy job. Worst case scenario, I call Chad the wheel guy and have him come out and redo it. I want to get this little paint here. Don't need any extra. Now, I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. But I tell you what, I might have saved myself at least $50. And if it happens again, all right, so we'll be right back in 10 minutes. I'm going to pause the video and we'll see how it works. Be right back. Thanks for watching Total Tesla. All right, we're back. So it's dried a little bit there. So let's go back and reapply another coat or two. I did shake the bottle again. How's it look? I mean, it's not going to stick out like a sore thumb, at least. So if you're looking for some quick work, once it dries, I don't think you're going to be able to really tell. But yeah, I think it looks all right. It's kind of hard with the glare there. Come from this side here. And there's some spots I can probably touch. Touch up here. Looks pretty good there. I do want to take up the excess though. I don't have that much. It's going to dry. Let's go over this area right here. Pretty soon I'll be painting the whole wheel. We don't want to do that. Just trying to blend it in. Once that dries, it'll look okay until I get another curb rash. Then I'll resand. All right, so we're going to pause the video, let it dry again, take a look. I'll be right back. Thanks for watching Total Tesla. All right, so we're back. This is the third look at it. I'm just going to gently go right over the area, getting the excess off. And you can see it's not fully covered yet. So we're going to keep on applying as the directions say. I mean, you could tell if you look closely where the area was hit with a curb. And then after I sanded down the area, I mean, you could tell the area was fixed. But the cool thing about this is you don't want to spend $100 or so on each wheel for $44 or $45. I mean, this is an option. Now there's some light hitting the area, so. But I think once that dries, I think it looked pretty good. All right, we're going to come back and wait another 10 minutes. Thanks again for watching Total Tesla. All right, we're back. All right, so I have actually added about 3 coats. So what I'm going to do now, it's just wash or wipe the area down. I'm just using O&R, which is in a spray bottle from when I washed my car. But it's I just want to make sure it's all clean. I mean, you could tell, but if you're just glancing at it, you can't really tell. I mean, it hides it pretty good. What I'm going to do one more time though, I shook up the bottle every time. So I'm just going to go over it again. I didn't need to go over, kind of went over too much, but I think once it dries, it'll be all right. But I think it looks pretty good for $45. Now, if your whole wheel has a bunch of curb rash, it's gonna take a little bit. But if it's not a lot, it's a lot cheaper than $100 a wheel. And I've done what, 4 coats. Still feel like I got a lot left in this bottle here, so I'll put the link in the description, and tell me what you think. It does look pretty good. All right, there you have it. So thanks again for watching Total Tesla today. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Don't forget to check out my previous video. And then appreciate viewing today. So have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. All right, so I just wanted to clean basically all the wheels up, and then so I applied some solution to the tires and cleaned up the wheels. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. You can tell this is where the curb rash was. I mean, it doesn't look too bad at all. But from a glance, looks good. So yeah, I would recommend trying it out if you spend about $45. I'll put the link in the description, and don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And if you are looking for a Tesla, don't forget to use my referral code. It's all free of charge. Thanks for watching Total Tesla today. Take care.